Imaginons une rue avec de petites maisons en bois. Certaines sont colorées. Elles bordent le trottoir sans timidité, sans clôture. Des chemins de dalles relient directement la rue aux porches et aux pas de porte. Certaines ont du mal à tenir debout. Elles se délestent écaille par écaille de peinture, d'un poids trop lourd à soutenir. D'autres viennent d'être peintes de couleurs, jaune, rose, bleu, blanc. C'est dimanche, vers midi, dans l'une de ces rues. L'appel d'un tuba retentit. Quelques notes syncopées jouées en boucle, bientôt reprises par une caisse claire. 1, 2 trombones, 3 trompettes. Soudain, des danseurs bariolés surgissent d'une des maisons fraîchement repeintes. Par leurs pirouettes et sautillements, les uns derrière les autres, ils proclament la seconde ligne ouverte.
And it's funny because in the second line you'll have a parade and they'll parade to a bar and stop. And then somebody will put on bounce music on the jukebox. And then it's time to move on with the big parade. So music off, brass band starts up, everybody moves on to the next bar.
To me, it's just repetitive, and the lyrics is just, I don't know, it's repetitive to me. I really wasn't. I personally moved around when I was younger.
No, I don't like bounce.
Why?
But just for me as an individual,
I personally moved around.
I don't like it. It's not really.
For me, I've heard it so much growing up in New Orleans. It's like, okay, that's enough.
it drives me crazy. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I like it, but I'm not a big fan of it. It's a part of culture down here.
And sometimes, you know, the younger people, when they come to my club, they want to play it and they want to turn it up so loud, and it kills me. You know what I mean? But they like it. Like the same way I feel about bounce music, that is the same way like people my age felt about jazz music in the early part of the last century.
1915. Décret.
Do not wriggle the shoulders.
Ne tortille pas les épaules, ne remue pas les hanches,
Do not twist the body.
ne distord pas ton corps,
The elbows.
n'exagère pas tes mouvements, ne soulève pas les bras,
Arms. Do not hug.
ne sautille pas, mais plutôt fais glisser
Drop
tes
the
pas.
turkey drop, the grizzly bear, the bunny hug. These dances
Laisse
are
de côté ces danses que l'on appelle le pas du dindon, de l'ours gris ou du renard. Elles sont laides, dépourvues de grâce et démodées.
Traditional to what is compared to what? You know, I mean, you can say the same thing about techno music. It's not traditional. But traditional into what realm?
The bounce was there. I mean, just it didn't take much, you know. It's like just that dun 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 dun. That's a lot of bounce whenever it's normally dun 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 dun.
toujours, le répertoire des fanfares a évolué en fonction de son temps et de la société, en incorporant des chansons populaires. D'abord, elles ont joué des marches militaires, des chants funèbres, des hymnes religieux, puis des ragtime et plus tard encore du jazz, R&B et ainsi de suite.
I don't think that music has changed essentially. A lot of the classic songs like Just a Closer Walk with Thee, new classics like Do What You Wanna, those are always played. Really the only difference that I've been noticing for years, which is that the young players, the young brass bands, incorporate a lot of hip hop, kind of like a hip hop feel to it. There's room in this town for all kinds of music, it really is, because if I thought that bounce music was taking over from the traditional music forms here, I'd be upset about it, but I don't see that.
Now this here shit gonna be done one way. You can catch me bucking like every day Sunday. Y'all don't wanna go to war, we got heat. Sounds off like horns, make you move your feet. You fucking with the bird, it's like fucking with me. And I'm a nigga never gon' squash the beat with some raw to speak every word. And I be representing that third. Catch 'em round Kim's, bring 'em round road to album. The rebirth is my people, you don't know what's happening. I'm Wild Mac, know y'all about that blast. And the haters won't ride, hope your seatbelt fast. I play Gold Crush, you play Platinum. Tell your people stop hating before I dare backslap 'em. To let it buck jumpers, y'all buck to death. And you ain't rolling with it if you don't sweat. So listen with the birth, they'll never forget. And you ain't saying nothing, so stop talking that shit. We don't want nobody to get hurt today. All we really wanna see is footwork today. I do this shit here straight up on GP. And none of you niggas don't want fuck with me. Y'all don't wanna go to war, y'all ain't bout this. Cause I got niggas that know where your house is. You don't wanna go to war, you don't wanna go to war.